How to check watch history on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check watch history on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And here, once you are inside the profile settings, just scroll down and tap on activity log. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on your Facebook activity, and after that, you simply have to scroll down and tap on manage post. And now here, on the next page, what you have to do is just tap on the filters option which can be seen at the top left side of the screen. So here, just tap on it, and from the pop-up menu, just select categories. And now here on the next pop-up menu, just scroll down and tap on the option labeled as videos you have watched. And once you select that, now you'll see a complete list of all videos that you have watched on Facebook. And that's it. That's how you can check watch history on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.